Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create Blue Sky account. First, you will need to download the Blue Sky app on your mobile. When you open the Blue Sky app on your mobile, then you will see this type of interface. First, you will need to click on the option of create account. When you click on create account, here you will see the email, password and your date of birth options will appear on your screen. First, type the email here, then type password here, then select your date of birth, then press next here. Here you will need to choose your handle. Choose the handle as per your needs. When you choose the handle, then simply click on next. When you press next, this type of interface will appear on your screen. Here you will click on I am human. When you click on I am human, then this interface will appear on your screen. So complete the challenge here. Here you will see the challenge is completed on the third step. When you complete the challenge, then this type of interface will appear on your screen. Here you will need to select the profile picture. Click on continue. Then you will need to choose your interests. Choose the interest as per your needs and click on continue. That's it. The process of creating Blue Sky account is now be done. So simply click on let's go. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.